think that I would love summers here in Colorado. I can deal with this kind of summer. You know, it does get hot, but it is not humid. It is nice, breezy. Now, I would love to have summers that are not so hot, but just hot enough you'd want to go down a cold river. That water was cold. I put my hand in it. I told Bill I wanted to take my shoes off and put my feet in it, but he said we don't have time. We had spent too much time there, but we had to eat. I don't think I drank enough water, though. I'm thirsty still. Oh, I think I saw lightning. I did. Over there. Denver 106. I think Allen's Park is not very far from Denver. We're not in a big rush today because we don't have a whole lot of miles to go today. As I said before, we were planning on going to Mount Evans and riding up to Mount Evans, but that's closed for the season. And then tomorrow we were going to ride through Rocky Mountain National Park, but that's not going to happen because I wasn't able to buy tickets and they're sold out. So we'll go around. Just have to drive around. So that's why we made this day, the trip to Allen's Park short the reason why we chose Allen's Park was because we were going to do Mount Evans today. So now that we're not doing Mount Evans, we're not in a big rush. It's funny how many people stop to ask us where we're headed and tell us have a safe trip and like to talk to us about our trip. Like back there, someone going rafting stopped and talked to us and asked us where we were headed, and that we had a pretty nice outfit with our bikes and the trailer. People are curious, and they're probably even more curious when they see that I'm riding my own bike. A lot of people tell me that they can't picture me riding my own bike. Well, I don't know if it's the stigma of what a biker looks like or to them, or what. I don't know. Or maybe it's because I have this. People tell me I have an innocent face, soft-spoken, innocent, whatever. They clearly don't know me. Haha. I am soft-spoken. A lot of times I like to withdraw, and especially when I'm stressed, just kind of hide, go into hiding. They say that's what my zodiac sign is, Cancer, and it's a crab. Like a crab, you go in your shell. We are 9,548 feet above sea level. We are in Fairplay, Colorado, according to my altimeter. 5,565.8. It's going and rising. I noticed Bill was starting to lag, pulling the trailer, and I was thinking we were increasing in elevation. And that is in fact what's happening. Ooh, it's windy. I get this off thing. Rain. Maybe it won't be that much. That wind is really gusty. Just no hell, please. Not today. It doesn't look like that kind of storm. Or it doesn't look like a storm at all, really. Just some rain. It's cooled off a lot. Temperature is still falling. It's now 79, 78. But it feels colder. It doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like 68. Well, now it's 77. We're still increasing in elevation.